Good morning, students. Today in French Revolution, we are going to revise France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic, the reign of terror, and a directory rules France. Children, as you know, since 1789, the situation in France continued to be tensed. Even though Louis XVI had accepted and signed the constitution, he entered into the secret negotiations with the King of Prussia. That means he was not ready to give up his despotic powers and at any cost he wanted it back. So he entered into the secret negotiations with the neighboring rulers. On the other hand, the rulers of neighboring countries were worried by the development in France and tried to help Louis XVI because they knew very well what was happening in France can take place in their own countries also. That is why they wanted to help Louis XVI. Before Louis XVI could have taken the help from other countries like Prussia and Austria, National Assembly declared war against Prussia and Austria in April 1792. It was a war of people against king and aristocracies all over the Europe. Among the patriotic song sung by them was La Marseillaise, composed by the poet Roger de Lisle, which later became the national anthem of France. That means the national anthem of France is Marseillaise. It was a song which was first time sung by the volunteers from Marseilles as they marched into the Paris. Now children, the economic difficulties and losses are the result of revolutionary war. While men were busy in fighting at the front, women had to earn a living and look after their families. A large segment of population were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further as the Constitution of 1791 has given political rights only to the richer section. Political clubs became a popular where people could discuss government policies and their own plan of actions. The most successful of these clubs was that of Jacobins, which got its name from the former convent of Saint Jacob in Paris. Convent means building belonging to a community devoted to the religious life. Women who had been active throughout this period formed their own club. The Jacobins comprised less prosperous section of society. They included shopkeepers, cook, shoemakers, watchmakers, printers, daily wage laborers, etc. And their leader was Maximilien Robespierre. They started wearing long striped trousers similar to those worn by dock workers. This was to set themselves apart from the fashionable section of society. They came to be known as sans culottes, meaning those without knee breeches. On 10th August 1792, the Jacobins stormed the palace, killed the king's guard, and held the king himself as hostage for several hours. Later, the assembly voted to imprison the royal family. Then, elections were held, and now all men about 21 years of age were allowed to vote. Children, listen this once again. 21 years of age were allowed to vote. If you remember, in the earlier constitution, the men about 25 years of age and who pay taxes equal to at least 3 days of wages were only given the right to vote. The newly elected assembly called Convention abolishes monarchy On 21st September 1792, children, you have to remember this date. 21st September 1792, monarchy was abolished and France was declared a republic. Republic means a form of government where the people elect the government, including the head of the government. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by court on the charges of treason. On 21st January 1793, he was executed publicly. Children, once again, let me repeat this. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by the court on the charges of treason. Treason means betrayal of one's country or government. Reign of Terror. Now children, the period from 1793 to 1794 is referred as the Reign of Terror in France. Children, you have to learn this date. The Reign of Terror in France is from 1793 to 1794. Why we call it as a Reign of Terror? Because Robespierre followed the policy of severe control and punishment. All those whom he considered as an enemy of republic, including ex-nobles and clergy, member of political parties, even member of his own party who did not agree with his method, was arrested and tried by the Revolutionary Tribunal. If the court found them guilty, they were guillotined. Guillotine means it was a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Once again, what is guillotine? Guillotine means a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Robespierre's government made laws placing a maximum ceiling on wages and price. Meat and bread were rationed. Peasants were forced to transport their grains to the cities and sell it at a fixed price, or the price which was fixed by the government. That means they cannot sell their products according to their wishes. They have to transport their products to the cities, and that too sell in the prices fixed by the government. The use of more expensive white flour was forbidden. All citizens were required to eat the equality bread. Equality was also sought to be practiced in the form of speeches and addresses instead of traditional Monsieur and Madame. All French citizens and women were henceforth citoyens and citoyennes, that means citizens. Churches were closed down and their buildings converted into barracks or offices. Robespierre became a virtual dictator of France. He followed his policy so adamantly that his supporters in the end left him. He was finally convicted by the court and guillotined in July 1794. This was the end of Reign of Terror. Now a directory rules France. Now children, what happened in France after the fall of Jacobin government? The middle class, the wealthier middle class seized power. New constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertied section of society. As you know, during the Jacobin regime, we have seen how all the men above 21 years of age was given the right to vote. But now the non-propertied section of society were not given the right to vote. Now the political setup in France, it had two elected legislative councils who appointed a directory and executive made up of 5 members. It was made to safeguard the concentration of power in one man, or concentration of power in one man executive, as we have seen under the Jacobins. But what happened, children? Here often the director clashes among themselves or with the legislative council and were dismissed. That means the director often clashes with the legislative council and were dismissed. I think it is clear. What do you mean by directory? The directory was a 5-member committee which governed the France. When the political power was passed into the hands of wealthier middle class, it was meant as a safeguard against the concentration of power in the hands of one man executive, as we have seen under the Jacobins. This political instability paved the way for the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. The idea of freedom, equality, fraternity remain inspiring ideas that motivated political movement for France and the rest of the Europe. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.